An electric food slicer saves our time and makes life easier. Check out the 5 best electric food slicers in this video. At number 5, we have the Cuisine FS75 Kitchen Pro. This professional quality slicer adjusts up to a ½ inch thick to slice everything from paper-thin prosciutto to a serving of roast beef. Imagine how easy it is to make apple pie when the Kitchen Pro does all the apple slicing. It's convenient and simple to operate, and removable parts make it easy to clean. Any way you slice it, this premium appliance is a great addition to any kitchen and a big help to any chef. At number 4, we have the Artisan 048GM 48087. This slicer pays for itself, allowing you to buy deli meats in bulk, slicing it when needed, and then freezing the rest, which reduces waste and maximizes value. The 7½ inch blade easily slices through frozen meat up to a maximum thickness of 5/8 of an inch. Sliding meat carriage ensures perfect cuts every time and keeps the user's hands away from the blade for maximum safety. The design is easy to clean and ideal for home kitchens and restaurants. The third position is bagged by Chef's Choice 610. The Model 610 features a powerful, high-torque motor that is cool running with reliable, smooth gear drive for virtually continuous slicings. The precision thickness control slices from deli thin to approximately 1 inch thick. It also features an intermittent and continuous on-off switch and special safety button that secures food carriage in lock position to limit access to the blade when the unit is not in use. The second best product is the Bestwood Premium 250. For a truly industrial powered machine, look to the Bestwood Premium 250. It features a corrosion-protected Italian 10-inch chromium-plated carbon steel blade that will make even the densest cheeses and meats look like butter as it reduces them to paper-thin slivers. The blade is more durable and is guaranteed to have a longer lifetime. The best product on this list is the Chef's Choice 615 Premium, with all structural components made of cast aluminum and stainless steel. This versatile rugged slicer features a powerful, cool-running, high-torque electric motor and reliable smooth gears for slicing with ease and confidence. The slicer's tilted food carriage and cantilever design provide fast, efficient slicing, delivering sliced food directly to large trays or platters. Other convenient features include the slicer's intermittent on and off switch and its handy cord storage. We hope you enjoyed this video, but please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.